To make this interesting, we'll first define a primality testing predicate function. This function for identifying prime numbers won't win any prizes for efficiency, but it's reliable, simple to understand, and doesn't use any features of Python we haven't yet encountered. All three types of collection comprehension support an optional filtering clause which allows us to choose which items of the source are evaluated by the expression on the left. We can use our new isPrime function as the filtering clause of a list comprehension to produce all the primes less than 100, with the numbers up to and including 100 being produced by a call to the range constructor. We have a slightly odd-looking x for x construct here, because we're not applying any transformation to the filtered values. The expression in terms of x is simply x itself. There's nothing to stop us combining a filtering predicate with a transforming expression. Here's a dictionary comprehension which maps numbers with exactly 3 divisors to a tuple of those divisors.